Today we are sublimating on Tye Dye. Some people were skeptical, but I tested this on Amazon and it worked awesome. The ticket is to find a high polyester count tie-dye. So check out my Amazon store because I've found a bunch for you and added them already. First, let's download a design from auntie.com. So let's get started. I'm using the technique from video 1 of this series, so check it out if you want to know how to sublimate.